In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage orders on Wix. Whether you're running a small online shop or a larger e-commerce operation, managing your orders efficiently is crucial. Let me guide you through the process to make sure you're leveraging the tools Wix provides effectively and with ease. This step-by-step walkthrough will take you from the moment you log into your account all the way to successfully creating a new order for your customers. First, open your browser and head over to Wix by visiting managewix.com. Once you're there, sign into your Wix account. It's important to have your credentials ready to ensure a smooth start to the process. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to the My Sites section, which serves as the main control hub for all your sites. Next, locate the site you wish to edit from the list displayed. You should see an option labeled Select and Edit Site beside each site on your dashboard. Click on that option for the specific site you want to manage. This step will take you inside the site's management settings, where you can control everything from the design to the operations of your online store. Continuing on, you'll find a Sales tab within your settings. You'll need to click on this to access all sales-related functions, including orders, payments, and analytics. Clicking Sales will unfold a menu. Within this menu, look for and select the Orders option. This link provides you a detailed view of all existing orders and related details. Now you're in a place where you can add a new order. Find and select Add New Order. This function is incredibly useful if you ever need to manually enter orders. For instance, when dealing with phone orders or orders received outside of your regular e-commerce platform. Once you've clicked Add New Order, you'll reach a form where you can input all the necessary details about your customer and their purchase. Enter the required information carefully. You'll need to include shipping details, item descriptions, and any other relevant data that ensures the order is complete and accurately reflects the customer's request. It is essential to double-check the information you've entered to avoid potential errors and customer complaints. Lastly, once you've filled out the order form with complete and accurate details, move forward by clicking on Create Order. This action will officially log the new order into your system and send any necessary confirmation emails or notifications depending on your settings. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated your Wix dashboard and added a new order. Remember, understanding each step and taking your time will improve your efficiency and the satisfaction of your customers. To recap, a smooth login, selecting the appropriate site, navigating to sales, and entering customer data correctly are key steps. I hope this guide helps you manage your orders with confidence. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our channel for more tips and tutorials.